Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, in the glaucoma, we have we see treatment of primary open angle glaucoma. So, in the open angle glaucoma, need to see the treatment. So, treatment of primary open angle glaucoma is you will have to start with medical therapy and then we can proceed to laser trabeculoplasty. If finally this also does not work, then we should do a surgery. So first medical therapy followed by laser trabeculectomy followed by surgery is done for primary open angle glaucoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.